Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you and tell you how you can disable calls in the Instagram app. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. If you want to disable calls in Instagram app, for example, from a certain user, to do this, you will need to go to your correspondence. Select the user. At the top, click on their name. Here we'll see this mute bell icon. Click on it. Then at the bottom, select Mute Calls. And Instagram gives us a choice. We want to disable calls from this user for 1 hour, for 8 to 24 hours, or disable them completely. So let's say I choose 8 hours. Now we have video calls turned off for 8 hours. If you want to disable Instagram calls for all users, then you need to go to your page. Then go to the menu. At the top, click on the 3 sticks. Then click Settings and Privacy. And then we click Notifications. Find the Calls section. Click on them. And we can see that there's a choice here too. Right now we have all calls from all users enabled. We can either keep the calls of only the users we're subscribed to, of the users that we're subscribed to, or we can disable them altogether. But even if we disable them altogether, Instagram users will still be able to call us via audio calls. To disable this feature with everything, we need to go to Settings and find the Privacy and Security section. Click. Then we find the Microphone section. And in front of Instagram, we disable it. Then we do the same thing in the Camera section. In front of Instagram, we also disable it. But this is not a very good method because it has its disadvantages. For example, you will not be able to record Instagram stories or make reels. So you can choose the way you want to do it. Or you can disable it in your settings. Or you can disable it in Instagram, whatever you want to do. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to write your comments. See you soon.